Hey guys, this is Ro and welcome to this video. So what I want to share with you today is just a quick tip on how to make these cute little button embellishments and little closures for your mini albums. Because I was at a garage sale a couple weeks ago and I got tons of buttons at a really great price. And so I finally said, you know what, I need to use these and have some fun playing around with those. So I was in my crafting space and yesterday actually making these little embellishments. So I said, you know what, I should show you guys a couple little tips on how to use them too, especially if you have tons of buttons in your stash as well. So they're super easy and they're super fun. All you have to do is just punch, layer, and embellish. So basically all you do is just grab any of the punches that you have. For this one, I'm using my little, I think this is like a 1-inch punch, and I have my butterfly punch, my 1 7/16 inch heart punch, and I've got a 5/8 inch heart punch. Let's see, I have my little 1-inch scallop punch, oh no, 1.5 inch, and then my 1.5 inch circle punch. So I just grabbed my scraps. I punched out a bunch of little shapes. So we've got our butterflies, we've got our banner shapes, circles, scallops, hearts, all that good stuff. And then I just layered it up and put the buttons on them. So it was really that easy. So let's just go ahead and make a couple of them together. This will be a really short video, doesn't take too long, but they're just really cute, fun ways to decorate your albums, and you know, another closure idea if you needed some more closures for your albums as well. So basically all I did was I took, like, you just start out with any shape. Maybe, you know, we use our scallop shape, and you just grab a heart, and you know, you use whatever punches that you have in your stash, right? And if you don't have that many punches, you can literally just make a couple squares, cut out a couple circles or hearts freehand, and I just border trimmed this one, and you can just layer like that and use them. So I just do something like that and then just throw a button on top of there. And it really is that easy. Look how cute this is. Let me show you front. Let me get a flatter button. So one like this. And they're just so easy to make, and you can literally mass make these, and look how cute that is. So I thought it was adorable. So let's go ahead and, I think I like this one. I'll just go ahead and glue it. You can make some of these together. I started leaving a pin in my glue because it keeps drying up on me. So I just, you know, you just layer shape on shape, however you want. And then of course you can use your glue gun if you want to. And you know, you can sew if you're someone who likes to sew. I'm not really. And place that on there like so. And then we have one of our little embellishments done. And then let's see, let's do maybe one with this square. Take maybe a little butterfly and go over there in that corner. Let's see, maybe a little circle over here. Let's do a different color here. Little circle. I don't know if I like that color. What do you guys think? I don't know. So this one. All right, I like how that's coming together, so I'm going to start gluing. And you know, this piece right here and also this piece, they came from a paper pad, you know, like the front cover of the paper pad. If it has cute little designs on it, I cut those out and use those too. So, you know, definitely start, you know, keeping those if they have cute little designs on them. You know, they like show a sample of what's in the paper pad, and sometimes they're really cute, so I keep them. All right, and then I'll put that circle there. This is so easy, you guys, but we can have some quality time making these together. So I'll put that one there, and then maybe we do a little heart or something. That's cute. All right, I'm gonna stick that little heart there. There we go, boom. And then we can still put a button somewhere. Can maybe put a button there, or, well, it's kind of covering up my heart, but we can stick a little button there or there. I love playing with these little things. They're really fun. Can put that there or something like that. Even that would be cute, you know, to go in a little album or something. So let me see. I'm not really sold yet on where to stick this button. Kind of like that there for some odd reason. Let's see. And actually, if you don't have any buttons in your stash, like these are little sticker buttons I got at the Dollar Tree. It came with a bunch of them for $1 in all different colors. And they're just as cute to use. So I think I like that one. I'll go ahead and glue this one together. And then you could even stick like one of these little gems if you have some. Stick it right there on top of the button or like on top of the heart. Let me see, I'm gonna put one on top of the heart real quick. Why not? I like sticking them there. And that can go like right in there. And that can go right on there. We have a cute little embellishment this way. Let me show you what that looks like. See, and it's just so cute. I need to glue that onto the middle there, but for the sake of not keeping you here forever. Isn't that cute? And then we can also use our little banners, and these are easy to cut out by hand too if you don't have a punch. So let's make one of those. Let's see, this I also got from the top of a paper pad. I think this one was called like the whimsical paper pad or something. So for the banners, let's see, you can do something like that. Yeah, that's good enough. So I'm gonna glue those together. And you just have fun with it. You just punch, layer, embellish, and you're good to go. And you have some cute little things to put on your albums. So I think I'll go something like that. Put some glue here. They're just really fun, and they're just so easy. So easy. Then we can put a little heart on top of here. You know what? I think with this one, I want to layer it a little bit. So what we can do is grab some of this little foam tape and cut a piece off. I don't want to use my gold scissors. Those are my favorite little scissors, so I'm not using those for this tape. Learned my lesson. I used those when I first started crafting and messed up all my scissors. The stickiness got like everywhere. I was like, no. So we can put this here and layer it with like a circle. Oh, actually the circle is not too bad. Put a little circle there. And if you don't have buttons, you can just keep layering with whatever hole punch stuff that you have. See, and so like that would be cute. And then you put one of these little gem things right there in the middle, and that's also really adorable. But since we're focused on buttons today, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a button to stick on there. Aren't these little bee ones so cute? How cute this little bee is. Oh, that was totally cool. Let's see. And there we go. We have a little button one, although I think I'm going to use one that just pops a little bit more. So maybe like this green one's cute. Yeah, I like that one. So I'm just going to glue this one on. So there we go. Let me show you what it looks like. Isn't it cute? Oh, little guy. These are so fun to use on your albums or even as a closure. So let me show you how to do that. So far we have this one as an idea, and this one, and we have this little guy here. See, we made those in what, like seconds, right? And we got cute little embellishments already for our albums or whatever we want to do, even on the covers of albums. But let me show you how to make this little closure. So I made this for an album I was working on, And I thought that was cute too, to close the album. So for this one, you would use, if you have it, a loop back. I think it's called a loop back button. So those are like these. They have that little loop in the back already, ready to go. And so it's really easy too. You just, let's pick another little, let's start with a scallop here. I'm gonna put a heart. I think I'll do that one. So we'll just glue that on there. Like so. And let me see, do I want to use that one? I think I want to use this little pink loop back button. Yeah, that one's pretty cute. All right, so then all we do is take something that you want to use as a backing so you don't mess up your table. And I have one of these little X-Acto knives. And all I did was I just cut a little slit here, right in the middle. Just made a little slit there, and you could use, you know, your trimming tool if you want. But it's just super easy this way. And then I just push this little thing through, right to the back. And you don't even really have to glue it. There we go. Pushed it all the way to the back there. See? And it's already on. And now you just loop the string through. So let me see. If I'm gonna go like that, my string's gonna go like this. So I'm just gonna put it in the right direction, like that. And then you take your twine or your crochet string or whatever you have in your stash, and you just loop it through. And then you put it on the front of your album. And then it's also cute too if you wanted to tie your little bow in the front like this. It's kind of cute. My bow, what happened to my bow, but like that. And of course I can tie it a little bit tighter. But see, it gives it some character and just really cute. So that's a cool idea. Also, if you wanted to use these little buttons to embellish like little cards for your album, so like you could take, you know, just go to your scraps, grab like a little square or something. We can fold it like this. And we can cut this down. I think I'll give it a little character and use the decorative scissors to cut it down. So now we have a cute little card like that. Probably one that has a little bit of a blank area to like do some journaling in or something. But then we can take our little string here. I'm just trying to save you guys time, so this video is not too long. And then what we can do here is string this on here. Like this. You can do something like that. See, and make a cute little card for album. And you can even string these little loop back buttons by themselves on here. And then you can also, if you want these little loops to go away, so maybe you like this design and you want to put that flat on there, you can just cut that right off. It comes off pretty easily. And then it'll be like a flat back button as well. So yeah, just some cute little tips that I wanted to share with you while I was making these. I thought they were really fun, and who can't use more embellishments, right? For our albums, junk journals, and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you in our next video. Have some fun crafting, guys.